Got a PKD file from karaoke software and want to access your karaoke project? These are project files containing custom karaoke productions. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using these Power Karaoke project files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for PKD problems. See below for my top choice. PKD files are project files created by Power Karaoke software used for creating custom karaoke videos and productions. They contain audio tracks, lyric timing, video backgrounds, text formatting, and synchronization data used to produce professional-looking karaoke content for entertainment and home use. PKD files use Power Karaoke's proprietary format, storing audio track references, lyric text with timing information, background video or image references, text formatting parameters, and synchronization metadata. The structure includes project settings, effect definitions, and rendering configurations following the application's documented project specification. Your first application to test with PKD should be Power Karaoke from Power Karaoke. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows provides a simple playback experience, while editing workflows demand advanced tools. We're checking for file signature recognition. Right-click your PKD file and click Open With. If Power Karaoke is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We need to find the correct application hook. If the PKD file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, opening in Power Karaoke. Launch Power Karaoke application and open the PKD file through the File menu. The software displays the complete karaoke project with audio, lyrics, and visuals in its editing environment, enabling preview editing and final rendering to standard video formats for distribution. Next, exporting karaoke videos. Use Power Karaoke's export functionality to render PKD projects to standard video formats like MP4 AVI or WMV. The exported video includes synchronized lyrics, audio, and visuals, creating shareable karaoke content that plays on any media player or karaoke system without requiring the original software. Finally, editing karaoke content. Modify PKD projects in Power Karaoke by adjusting lyric timing, changing background visuals, updating text formatting, or replacing audio tracks. The visual editor provides timeline-based editing with real-time preview, enabling fine-tuning of karaoke productions before final rendering and distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.